Now we'll start with part 2 of Geography, Chapter 5, Agriculture. So let's begin. Food crop includes all cereals, pulses, oil seeds, beverages and tubers. First one is rice. It is grown in India for more than 5000 years ago. Bran and husk are used as fodder and fuel. Rainfall requirements is 100 to 150 centimeter and temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Paddy is cultivated in India, Japan, Bangladesh. Thailand and Myanmar are known as the rice bowl of the world. Then is wheat. Main crop of tropical region, it requires rainfall of 40 to 75 centimeters and rainfall between 30 to 80 centimeter. It is ideal for cultivation and the sky must be clear at the time of ripening. Then the most suitable is loam soil. Wheat is classified in winter wheat and spring wheat in North America. Then the major producers are India, USA, France, etc. Australia, Canada, Argentina are the greatest exporters and Europe is the major importer or buyer. Then is maize. It is known as Makka in India and by other names in different areas of the world. It was introduced by many explorers who traveled from one area of one country to the other. USA is the largest producer of maize and China and Brazil follows it. They are on the second and the third position. In India, maize is cultivated in UP, Bihar, Karnataka and other places. Then is millet. It includes ragi, jowar, bajra, etc. They are grown in the temperature which is very moderate and rainfall requirements are 50 to 75 centimeter. It is also greatly used for fodder. Then is fiber. It is hair like structure. There are many types of fibers. We'll understand one by the other. First one is vegetable fiber. It is obtained from the seeds, stem, leaves and fruits. Then is animal fiber. It is obtained from silkworm and other insects and animals like sheep, goat, etc. Then is mineral fiber, like glass made from silica sand. Then synthetic fiber. It is derived from chemical treatment of wood pulp and cellulose. Then cotton, wool, jute are some of the example. Cotton. It is world's leading crop to produce clothes. It is classified on the basis of length into short staple, long staple and medium staple. Then temperature requirements are 30 to 40 degrees Celsius and rainfall requirements 60 to 100 centimeter. Alluvial and black soil are the best suitable for it. In India, places like Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra produces cotton in bulk quantities. Then jute. Jute is obtained from bark of jute plant. It is found in Ganga Brahmaputra river area. Jute plant requires temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall of approximately 125 centimeter. It is mainly produced in India, China and Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the world leader in jute production. Ham, flax, abaca, sisal, etc. are some of the other names of jute. Beverage or cash crops. Tea, coffee are popular drinks, also known as cash crops. Tea is made from tea leaves. Chinese, they were the first who drank tea. Then tea plantations were found in China, India, Indonesia. Tea needs temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall of 200 centimeter. It needs rainy tropical and humid subtropical region. In India, tea is produced in Assam, Kerala, West Bengal. Then is coffee. It is the second largest beverage after tea. One third of the world population drinks coffee. There are two types of coffee, Arabica and Robusta. Coffee plant requires moderate rainfall. Coffee requires 100 to 150 centimeter rainfall and temperature from 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. It is produced in Brazil, Indonesia, Vietnam. In India, it is produced in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.